Hello! Do you want to make your breakfasts more practical and perfect? We have reviewed the best electric egg cookers for you. Let's get started. The Dash Fast Egg Cooker has cooking processors for up to 6 eggs. So if you are having breakfast with a crowded family in the morning, it is just the right size. You can make soft, medium or hard-boiled eggs. Thanks to the automatic switch off feature, it switches itself off when the cooking process is finished. No more burned or overcombined egg mass. The light weight of this appliance, only 1 pound, makes it ideal for small kitchens or dorms. The sleek design and a choice of colors make it suitable for any distribution. It's easy to clean too. All parts are dishwasher safe. It comes complete with accessories such as a scalding system, an omelette cutout and a measuring cup. So with this appliance you can make not only poached eggs, but also scrambled eggs and single omelettes. Dash Fast Egg Cooker. We have researched the positive and negative evaluations of users in detail for you. Now Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Egg Cooker draws attention with its ability to boil up to 7 eggs as well as its vegetable steaming function. While providing even cooking thanks to boiling water technology, it makes your work easier with automatic shut-off and buzzer warning system. You can use it safely for many years with its robust and durable design. If you are looking for a versatile device for steaming both eggs and vegetables, Hamilton Beach is a great choice. Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Egg Cooker. We have researched the positive and negative evaluations of users in detail for you. Another great option is the Nostalgia Retro Electric Large Boiled Egg Cooker. This device allows you to cook 7 eggs at the same time and allows you to make soft, medium or hard-boiled eggs. It is very simple to use. You just adjust the water level and press the button and you can use it safely thanks to its cold touch handles. The boil dry protection feature increases safety in the cooking process. Thanks to the transparent lid, you can easily monitor the cooking status of your eggs. It will be an indispensable helper in your kitchen with its omelette, boiled egg and vegetable steaming features. Nostalgia Retro Electric Egg Cooker. We have researched the positive and negative evaluations of users in detail for you. Next up is the Elite Gourmet EGC-007B. This device has a composition of 7 eggs and is notable for its fast boiling feature. The shells of your eggs are always easily peeled. It can also be used to make scrambled eggs and omelettes. While the stainless steel heating plate increases durability, it offers safe use thanks to its non-slip base. Thanks to its compact structure, it can be used comfortably both at home and while traveling. It provides a hygienic experience. Thanks to its easy-to-clean parts, Elite Gourmet EGC-007B, we have researched the positive and negative evaluations of users in detail for you. Bella Fast Egg Cooker makes your breakfasts easier by offering a boiling capacity of up to 7 eggs. It provides safe use with its automatic shut-off feature, while its non-slip base and stylish design harmonizes with your kitchen. It offers a functional use with its ability to make omelette, boiled and scrambled eggs. Thanks to its compact structure, it will be a great helper in your kitchen without taking up space. Bella Fast Egg Cooker. We have researched the positive and negative evaluations of users in detail for you. Finally, we introduced the Chefman Egg-Maker Quick Boiler. This appliance makes your breakfast faster and easier by allowing you to boil, poach or steam 6 eggs at the same time. Thanks to the included measuring cup, you can easily determine the right amount of water and achieve perfect results every time. Made from BPA-free materials, it adds an aesthetic touch to your kitchen with its compact and stylish design. It also provides a safe use with its automatic shut-off feature. Chefman Egg-Maker. We have researched the positive and negative evaluations of users in detail for you. Common features: 1. Fast cooking. All models can boil eggs faster than cooking on the hob. 2. Automatic switch off. No more burnt or overcooked eggs. Most devices have automatic shut-off feature. 3. Easy cleaning. Most models have dishwasher-safe parts. 4. Compact. Design. Designed in ideal sizes for small kitchens or traveling. 5. Variety. They offer the possibility to make both boiled and scrambled eggs or omelettes. With this table, you can easily compare the common features of egg cookers and the unique features of each product. If you want to make your morning breakfast more practical, these products can be a great option. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for new product reviews. See you in the next video. Goodbye.